Have you ever looked at your home and thought, gosh, it would be so nice if I could just get this thing paid off a little faster, or maybe put some empty space at your house to work for you? Hi everyone, I've got good news for you. My name's Adam Wagner, and this is my pet lizard back on my shoulder right there, that's Dragon. And right now, Airbnb is offering a sizable bonus for new hosts like yourself. All you gotta do is click my link below to get started. And guess what? I'll also help you out, give you a little bit of free mentorship on my YouTube channel here, and you can see some more cool videos with my pet lizard. She's just along for the ride right now. But check it out. A few years ago, believe it or not, I was a struggling actor in Los Angeles / Uber driver, and I saved up my money with the rideshare trend, and I came out to where I am now by Lake Powell, Utah, and I took advantage of the Airbnb trend. It's my little office space right here. I'll give you a quick tour of one of my listings here. I'm currently in a 4-unit apartment building, and there's 3 floors. So that's the middle floor. And then if I come down to my lobby here, but I'll show you outside real quick. And if at any point in this video you want to get started, just click the link below. But it's a really warm summer day. I'm actually gonna go jump in the lake in about 30 minutes. So it's a pretty big building. It was a lot of work fixing it up and paying off the back taxes and getting it going. And I had some good help to help me do that. But once I got it up and running, the money started trickling in, and then it started pouring in. We actually made 20 grand our first month just putting mattresses on the floor. That's a whole nother story, but I was so strapped for cash because I just paid off the taxes that was owed. I could only afford to put mattresses on the floor and then put like sheets and blankets on the mattresses. And there was such high demand in this area. Like, I turned my 4-car garage into a 2-car garage with this little studio space, and we fixed it up and put a nice bed in here. I had to remodel the bathroom over there in the corner, and it's got a little kitchenette over here, not a full kitchen. But you can see there's a lot of creative stuff you can do with your space. And I had to put that room in right there because I was getting calls at midnight last year because people were desperate for a place to rent. So I was like, well, I guess I'll be helping people out if I just put in a studio in the basement. And so that's actually been getting kind of popular. And then up above me, I've got 5 rentable bedrooms. And the beautiful part is you can do Airbnb wherever you're at. Maybe you just have 1 spare room. You could even do it with like just a couch or a futon in like your living room, but I wouldn't really recommend that. It's too much like couch surfing, and you want to give people some privacy and a little bit of quality. So at least a little bit of quality, but try to make it as nice as you can. And that's another cool thing. So as you go, this is a room that I call economy double. I still got to make up these beds. My cleaning helper didn't show up today, so I'm a little bit short of breath. I've been running around the house and cleaning and fixing stuff up on my own. So then here's an economy single. That's for 1 traveler. And then around the corner here, I have a water bed room. So people really like staying in the water bed. It's just kind of cozy and comfy, and it's kind of an old school concept that was really popular in the 90s, but we still take care of it, and it's still a popular room. So anyhow, you can see, probably get some creative ideas. Maybe you have like a granny house in the backyard, or you could have an entire house that you've been doing maybe long-term rent with, and that maybe is not working out so good, and you'd like something like Airbnb where you have $1 million additional coverage and you can screen your guests. So this is something I really recommend. If you want to check out my channel for some other content to help you with Airbnb, because I do it full time, check out some of my other videos. But one of my top recommendations is that you make all of your guests have an ID on file and that they are a 4.5 rating or better. And if they don't have any ratings yet, at least make sure that they have an ID on file, because that way you know you're getting a quality customer in your home or your space that you're renting, and it's a lot less to worry about. So if this helps you out, please give me a like and a share. And most importantly, if you're ready to get started as a new host on Airbnb, check out my link below. And I think you're really going to enjoy it because you can also have a lot of fun with your guests, and sometimes they become lifelong friends. And that's one more perk that you have with Airbnb. Thanks a lot for watching. Make it a great day. Peace.